Hi guys, I'm Alina Lovin with DreamX in Osoyoos, and today I'm at 8513 Kingfisher Drive, a spectacular waterfront property on Osoyoos Lake, the warmest freshwater lake in Canada, in one of the warmest and sunniest places in Canada. As you probably know, waterfront homes in Osoyoos are in huge demand in general, especially with our very limited supply. But this property is not just very rare, it also offers more than any other waterfront property on Osoyoos Lake, from the location right in the heart of Osoyoos, walking distance everywhere, with 90 feet of lakeshore, attached triple car garage, an extra detached double car garage, boat dock, heated swimming pool with electric pool cover, to the 3-level, 5-bedroom and 5-bathroom, almost 5,500 square foot home with elevator and so much more. like to book a showing or you have any questions about this listing or any other listing in the Okanagan, please give me a call. As always, thanks again for watching, and I hope this is useful.